Hey my guys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Welcome to Bull MBA YouTube channel. First of all, I will request please hit the subscribe button, also press the bell icon so you guys receive latest videos notification on time. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Right now, front of you, look at the screen and please pay attention that you guys looking spike killer system for boom and crash index. What is boom and crash index? Please Google. And if you want to trade using this system on boom and crash, you just need to reach us. The details of contact, the details of boom and crash broker, the details of our telegram, check the description, all link available there. Okay, right now look here guys, front of you on my screen the arrow appeared, which is spike candle signal, and right now we are looking an arrow which is showing the spike will be there very soon. So right now it's time to open a trade on boom 300. The trade is already open there with 5 standard lot. Now we are waiting for a spike. Once the spike appears, definitely we're going to close this trade in profit, and the stop loss for this is 3 candles only. So look here guys, till the spike appears, listen the music, enjoy the system video. If you guys want to purchase, if you're gonna have this system, please chat with our team. The contact details in description using telegram. And look here guys, one more thing, a lot of people ask me, the system have alert, pop-up notification. Yes, you guys can use email notification and mobile notification. You just need to set up this system on VPS. You guys will receive all notification on your mobile Android phone and also on laptop PC trading terminal MetaTrader 5. Okay guys, this is so easy to set up, very easy. We'll send you the guide video how to use the system, how to set up the system. It's really very simple and very easy. So now the second trade is executed with 5 standard lot, so the total sum is 10 standard lot on boom 300. We are waiting for a spike, so once the spike appear, we're gonna close this trade. The stop loss always be 3 candle, and once the stop loss reach, the system will give you alert to close your trade if there is no spike. But the system have accuracy 99% guys. So when the system appears signal, it's mean the spike really gonna come. You just need to open a trade and wait for a spike. So right front of you, this is the third candle. We are waiting for a spike. This is the third candle guys, and wait for a spike. We are waiting for a spike to make profit. Look here guys, front of you, this is the spike. So this is the power actually what I want to explain, what I want to show you guys. Thanks for watching, have a good day.